What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get NFL 24, so Madden NFL 24 for free, and this is a super easy method. There's no reason why everyone should not be doing this. It's going to give you a free digital code for Madden NFL 24 and you're going to be able to get the game for completely free. It takes a few minutes to get your code, so I decided to make this tutorial and help you all get Madden for free. And I'm going to go ahead and record my mobile phone screen and put the recording here so you can all follow along at home, and let's get the game. So let me record my screen. Okay guys, so basically you need to grab your mobile phone and open up the internet and go to www.speedycoupons. Let's go back, speedycoupons.com. So you need to go directly to this website, and you can spell it as you can see here. And this website specialises in providing us coupon codes, gift card codes, and of course game codes. And we need to look for the Madden NFL 24 free game code page. You can scroll down and look for it in the trending coupons, or you can go up to search and type in Madden, and it should just pop up like so. Madden NFL 24 free digital game code. Open that page up. And you can see this is for all platforms. It's pretty cool. So no matter if you're on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC or Steam, you're going to be able to get a digital game code. So this will give you a code where you can simply redeem it in the store, and it's going to start downloading the game. So choose which console you're on. I play on Xbox, so I'm going to be selecting the Xbox one. But the process remains the same no matter what console you play. So I'm going to click on this show code here that you can see it says free digital copy of Madden 24 for Xbox. And here we go, it just verifies what one you chose. And you can see the coupons are limited, these game codes are limited, so you've got to make sure you get on this pretty quick. Tap unlock code, and it's going to start unlocking the code for us. Okay, so here we go. This is a completely normal step. We need to basically just verify we're a real person to unlock the full code. So you can see we need to complete 2 of these sort of free tasks listed on this page, and they range from applications to surveys. We just need to complete 2 of them. So you can see, for example, this top one says submit your email and start a free trial, so it's sort of like a survey. And then, for example, this Family Island says download and then complete level 8. So you just need to follow the instructions and complete 2 of these free tasks. So you can see they're all completely free. I'm going to click on this top one where I need to input my email and stuff. So there you go, I just need to sort of sign up for a free account. So let me go ahead and do that. And then I'm also going to choose a second one, so Family Island. This is like a game, I just need to download the game and complete level 8. So let me start downloading this. I'm going to pause the video, guys, whilst I finish these 2 tasks, because I don't want the video to take too long. So let me finish these off and I'll return once I've done both of these tasks. So yeah, give me a few minutes. Right guys, what is going on? I've just completed both of those tasks. Took me a couple of minutes. I had to make sure I fully completed the 2 I chose. Like I showed you, I completed a survey, and then I also downloaded a game and completed level 8. You just need to make sure you follow the instructions that it says below the 2 tasks that you choose. Once you've fully completed 2 of them, go to your tabs, and now you have a new tab that has popped up. Click on it, and it's going to reveal your full Madden 24 game code. So this game code, for me, I play on Xbox, so this is valid for Xbox. I can then go ahead, copy this, and I can enter this into the Microsoft Store or directly on the Xbox itself. Just punch in this code and it's going to start downloading the game for me. These codes are unique and exclusive to you, so you need to go and get your personal code because they are one-time use. So you need to go to speedycoupons.com and you can make sure you follow the instructions in this video. So just pause as you do these steps and then continue to ensure you do this correct. If you have any issues, just leave a comment below and I can help you out. All I ask is you hit the like button and subscribe if you get your Madden 24 for free. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.